How to delete apps from Wix website. The first thing you want to do, once in your Wix dashboard, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to scroll down until you see apps. You are going to hover over it, then you are going to tap on manage apps. After selecting manage apps, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you'll see all of the apps that are currently on your Wix website. And beside the one that you want to delete, all you have to do is tap on the three dots. Then you will see the option delete, and you can simply tap on delete, and that's how to remove an app from your Wix website. Again, all you have to do is tap on the three dots right beside open. Then you are going to tap on delete, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.